Hi there, this is J3. Welcome to the Jungle Blog VS Code Part 7. Welcome. Okay, in this post, we will update user profile, finish up our user profile page, okay, making it so that the user can update their information from this page by uploading a new profile picture and automatically resize the picture. Okay, let's go to the step 0. This is the continuation of this post. You can go to this post part 7 and make it completely to the end so that you get this part here, okay? This part here in the code. Fine. The profile is simple as like that. Let's return to our part 7 and let's go to the step 1. Let's go straight to the code. Let's go to the user hub forms.py and make this modification. Okay, let's go there. Here's the code. User hub. Let's see. User hub forms.py. Here it is, the code. Okay, the code is like this. We have to make this modification. Let's copy and paste this to class here. Control C, and let's paste it. Sorry, right here. Fine, and let's copy and let's import the profile from our class, our user models, and let's save it. Hit save. Fine. Step 2, go to user hub views.py and add these lines. Okay, let's copy this in this views.py user hub. Let's close this views.py. Where is the views.py? Let's paste it right here. Fine. Sorry, not here. Control Z, but user hub right here. Fine. And let's make this modification. We just modified the profile method. We just copied this part of the code. Okay, and let's go to this part. Let's paste it right here. Control S. Okay, let me correct the indentation right here. Let's see. Okay, fine. Now, what we are doing here is just, sorry, let me make a for method here. Control S, and there you have it. We are passing the two U form and P form to the context right here. Context right here. Control S, and let's see, and there you have it. Context. What is wrong here? Nothing wrong. Let's save it. Fine. Something is wrong. Let me see what is wrong here. Multiprocess context here, right here. Control S, and let's continue our step 3. Go to the user hub template, user hub profile HTML, and copy and paste this HTML. Okay, do not forget to register anchor type. We'll say now. Let's go there. Okay, to the profile HTML. Okay, user hub template profile HTML, and let's paste it right here. Let's view this code. Let's copy so that we do not make typos here. Let's go to the code. Let's paste it. All that. Control S. And fine. We have the two form here. The user here, image right here. Fine. And the tailwind here. The tag. Everything is fine. Let's save it. All right. Let's continue our step 4, run the server and see if the form is appearing. Let's go there. Let's type Python Python manage.py run server. Hit enter and hope for the best. Let's see. Okay, let's go to the profile. I am logged as J3. Let's go to the profile, and there you have it. The profile is now appearing, but it's not populated. Let's return and see how to populate it. Turn to the step 5, copy and paste this code inside your old view.py, and the bulk modification is the def profile right here. Def profile, this is all the modification. All right, let's paste only the def part right here. Let's copy this and let's go to the right here. Let's Control V and hit save, and there you have it. Let's return to our tutorial. Step 6, reload the page and see if everything is fine. Let's go there. Here's the page. Save here. Okay, let's reload this page, and there you have it. Everything is fine. Let's continue our tutorial. Let's go there. Let's log out and let's log in as user 2. Okay, testing 3, 2, 1. Okay, and let's see the profile. Let's change the logo right for this one. Okay, and let's update it. And let's see, update it, and there you have an error here. Let's see what it is. Okay, username is not defined. Let's delete this username right here. Let's save it and let's return. Let's run. Let's reload the page, and there you have it. I will correct it for you. Let's continue our tutorial. Fine. Let's go. And then step 8, now we want to go into admin section and make sure all of this is looking good. Let's go to admin. Let's log out. Let's go to admin section. See as J3. Fine. And let's see if we have the user 2. User 2 is here. Fine. And let's see the profile of user 2. User 2 profile is fine. The avatar female. And there you have it. Fine. And now let's go to the large image. Let me show you one thing. Let's go there to the image that we have now. I want to go to, let me see, the template media. Let's see this in the browser. You see this picture here, female. the picture that we is one of this one. Let's see the property of this dimension, and you see the picture is one 1000 1080. Okay, it's too big. Let's correct it now. Let's go. Let's return to the home page. Fine. And let's log out as J3, and let's return to our step 9. Let's resize our image. Modify user hub model pi, and let's import this library. Let's go to the what is user hub model.py. User hub. Okay, where is it? Project free media pix jungle project. Where is it? Media user hub model.py. Here it is. Let's import this. Fine. And let's make this method here to save the image right here. Okay, right here. Fine. Save it. And there you have it. We have to make the indentation right here. Now the image is now reloaded. I will correct it for you. Now let's load the image of user test 4 and see if it's working. Fine. Okay, let's return to the page. Let's log in as user test 4. User test 4. Testing 321. Hit enter. And let's go to the profile and let's reload the image for this one. Update it now, and there you have it. Your account has been updated fine, and I think that is all. Let's see. And the last modification is the modification of step 11, blog template home. What we doing here is just put a this tag right here at the image. Let's go to the blog template home. Let's go there. Let's close this. Let's go to the blog template home, and let's make the modification right above this article here. Let's save it and let's see everything is fine. Let's reload the page now, and let's go to the home, and there you have it. Everything is fine, and that's all. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend viewer. Subscribe, especially to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.